Welcome back to Brotuned. Today we're doing another turkey challenge day at the range. So this time I took the razor off and I put the Discovery ED PRS back on because it has a better aiming point and it has more magnification. More magnification, easier to see your target. Let's get to shooting. So here we are on round 2 of this wicked challenge. Thanks Elijah for making these challenges. I love shooting them. We're shooting SK Standard Plus. As you can probably see and hear, we got a decent amount of wind from the left to the right. Probably gonna be holding on the left edge of these little turkeys, but let's get turkey whacking. See if we can put some food on the plate. So my first target will be the highest point target, the 15. Then we'll do the 5s, the 2s, and if we have any rounds left, we'll do the 1. Here we go. First shot, hit the 5. Now we're going for the 2. Oh, that was a 15. First shot. Now we're going for the 5s. Way off. Shoot that same target again. Hit the sign. One more shot, this one. Think that's a hit. Actually, no, that's a hit. Next 5. That's also a hit. One for a 2. Another shot 2. That's a hit. Dead center, and the last one. Clean the target. Still have 1 round left, so that's 9 rounds to complete this challenge. This scope was a lot easier to shoot than it was with the Vortex Razor HD, just because crosshair in this is a lot smaller, and that center aiming dot is probably, well, it's a quarter the size of the smallest target. So you get a way more precise aiming spot, and the crosshair doesn't get in your way. On the Razor, the crosshair has a hole like in the reticle, so there's nothing there, but it's still, I don't know. This reticle is way better. I think I'm gonna leave this scope on this rifle from now on. Just it seems like it's way easier to shoot better groups with this reticle. So here we have the target. First shot, 15. Check. Definitely a kill. Definitely a kill. That one as well. That one as well. There we go. 30 out of 30. 1 round remaining. Thanks for watching, guys. There you have it, guys. 9 shots complete the target. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers. Take care, guys.
Never go full retard.